Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Akhtar and I'm excited to present my Kaggle caption project, Travel Concierge. It's a multi-agent AI system designed to completely reimage how we plan our vacations. So the problem statement. So let's talk about the problem. Planning a multi-destination trip is incredibly stressful. So today it requires juggling dozens of browser tabs and comparing budgets in spreadsheets and manually mapping out daily itineraries. So while existing AI chatbots can help brainstorming, they fall short for end-to-end planning. If you give a single LLM a massive prompt to plan a trip, balance a budget, and check whether it gets overwhelmed and loses context. And worst of all, it hallucinates locations and logistics. It's an important problem to solve because travel should be relaxing and not stressful. So why agent and how can we help with an agentic system uniquely solve this? An agentic approach allows us to divide and conquer the cognitive load. Instead of one AI trying to do everything, we create a team of specialized experts, just like a real travel agency, by giving each agent a specific role and specific tools. They become highly accurate and focused. We can have one expert handle geography, another handle logistics, and another handle the math of the budget. So about the system architecture. So at the top level, we'll be having a root orchestrator agent whose role would be to who collect all the information and pass on to the specialized agent, like the destination agent, which focuses purely on discovering the perfect location. Itinerary agent, whose job would be need to prepare the itinerary, and the budget agent whose job would be to determine how much budget it would be required. But the most critical part of this architecture is grounding. The destination and itinerary agent are securely connected to the Google Maps grounding light MCP. This gives them real-time, real-world access to who places search, nearby attraction, route planning, and weather, completely eliminating hallucinations about what exists in the physical world. So regarding the build and the technology, so to build this, I utilized Google Agent Authentic ADK, which made it incredibly easy to define the hierarchy routing and between the orchestrator and the sub-agent. The intelligence is powered by Vertex AI Gemini model. To connect the agent to the real world, I use the Model Context Protocol, MCP, specifically integrating the official Google Maps MCP toolset without having to write complex API wrappers from scratch. And finally, I containerized the entire application using Docker and deployed it to Google Cloud Run. This exposes the interactive ADK web interface securely, allowing anyone to chat with the concierge from their browser. Now about the demo part. So I already created the demos just to save time. Um, so basically, I get here like I want to plan my trip. So the agent asks me, where would you like to go, and what your desired travel dates, and what is your estimated budget for this trip. And so I said like I want to go to US in the month of December, and my budget is 10K. Then it didn't have all the information, so it again asked where will you be departing from, how many days, and how many people are traveling. So I said I'll be traveling solo with from India, and I'm planning to stay there for 2 weeks. So then the main travel concierge agent got all the information. Now it will transfer this information to the destination agent. So here it shows like it transferred the all the information it got to the destination agent. Then the destination agent, what it does is it search all the places in US, and based on the search result and all the information user gave, it narrowed down it to three cities. New York, LA, and Miami. And for each city, it gave why it recommended that and best time to visit that place and top attractions there and estimated travel cost range. Uh, so I said, okay, I want to go to New York and please create my itinerary. So then this information, then I want to go to New York. It's passed through travel concierge agent to itinerary agent. Here it shows like the information is passed to itinerary agent. Then itinerary agent looks for the local attraction in that places and the weather, and then it created it did all the search and created a 14 days itinerary for that. So like day one, it said the Times Square arrival and the Times Square attractions. Similarly for day two, Central Park and the artistic wonders and what all you need to do in morning, evening, and dinner time. So this is a 14 days itinerary. Then I said, okay, great. Can you estimate the budget of my trip? So it passed this information to the budget agent, and here it shows budget agent, and created all the budget, like the flights, how much it will cost, and accommodation, and all the breakdown of that. Uh, yeah, and now it gave like the budget saving tips as well in this. So. That's all about the demo part. I'll share the link of my demo as well if you want to do some. So yeah,